All right, welcome to iFocus Labs, how to set up your account. So we just went over quick overview of onboarding and the software and what to expect. If you didn't see it, you can go back and watch the last video, but it's fairly straightforward, just a quick overview. We talked about how to sign up for $1 per month, going to start.ifocuslabs.com. So if that goes through and you stay on the entrepreneur account, $1 per month, it'll pull you, it'll give you immediate access to your account as well as the community. So first, we'll see our account login. We have everything right here. We won't do that yet because first we'll go into the community. If you didn't, you should be there already. If not, head over to the community, because that'll give you the quick start videos. So I probably shouldn't have even clicked on that to confuse anybody. We'll go back to that in a second. All right, so here we go. Boom, thank you for your receipt. Tester, yep. Like we said, I did it myself, so I know it went through. $1. I mean, come on. You can't even find one of the other softwares out there for less than that. You're getting hundreds of dollars worth of software for $1. Anyway, okay, so boom, that worked. So welcome. Test trial, that's my name. And here we have access to the iFocus Entrepreneurs community. So we'll view the group and we can jump right in here. First thing we'll want to do is create our profile. I believe we'll prompt you for a picture and a bio. So let's see what I'm working with here. We'll just use this temporarily here for our transparent, whatever. Okay, cool bio. This is wording this account. Yeah. Okay, cool. Now we're in. I was messing around the other night, just a couple of pinned posts. I'll go back through those, but basically, you know, what we're doing and why we're doing it. This is for early stage entrepreneurs, digital entrepreneurs wanting to build a business online, but they don't know where to start. They need help. They need resources. They need the software, and they need some accountability. And this is exactly for them. So when you jump in here, first thing, go into the community, introduce yourself, let us know who you are, let us know what you're working on. If you're not working on anything yet, what are some interests? You know, maybe what are you looking to learn, what you want to get into. There's a lot of directions you can go, but I think the best direction right now, the easiest direction, is create content, funnel that content into a free community, and funnel that free community into a paid community. Let's not overcomplicate it. We'll start there. After that, we can go into courses. We can go into other digital products. We can go into physical products. We can go into coaching. We can go into high-level masterminds or whatever. There's a lot we can do. But let's start simple. Create content. Funnel that content into a free community. Funnel that free community into a paid community. And that's it. Okay, boom. So we have here, I'm obviously filming these videos now, but I'll put this into the learning section, and it will be not a ghost town anymore, but it'll be basically a semi-structured course. And then as we go, I'll update them and make them more streamlined, but I just want to get these out as quick as possible for you, as crude as they are. That's one thing I learned, is that I can sit around for years reading, listening to podcasts, waiting for the right opportunity or the right amount of knowledge. But guess what? The best bet is to jump right into it. Jump right into it and get started. So I'm doing that for you with the hopes that you do that for yourself. Boom. Okay. Members, cool. Test accounts, obviously, and leaderboards. So there's obviously gamification to this. We'll flesh that out as we go, but I'm definitely thinking something along the lines of obviously user engagement and activity, answering questions, jumping into conversations, but also if we can set something up like referrals, bringing people in to not only hold you accountable, but to get the word out for other entrepreneurs that could possibly need the help, to rank you up the leaderboard, and then the winners will get maybe free access to free onboarding, or maybe even free access to iFocus Accelerator. We'll see. There's a lot we can do here. Okay, so boom. So you signed up for the account. You jumped into the community. You made your profile in the community. You jumped in the learning section and went through the course, the onboarding quick start course to get you up and running, which is this. All right, next we'll move on to logging into our account. We'll do that in the next video.